Welcome everybody to our update to NIO and other EV stocks. Before we start our video, guys, disclaimer for today: all our content here is for education purposes. We don't provide any financial advice, and nothing shown here is guaranteed for profit or investment results. So let's get right to it and discuss NIO and the other stocks, guys, that doing really good, especially Rivian, because of robotaxi collaboration with Uber, of course, for Raven. And that's why we have a huge jump, not even for Raven, for Lucid. Everybody, we have a huge jump for it. Already discussed this reversal from the $2.84 early on our live streaming that we do every day, 30 minutes before the market open. If you don't know, now you know. The link comes section below, guys, for our updated level for many stocks on Discord. And last time we did update, it was yesterday for Unity, that jumped really great for today over the 35.50. We did for CRCL and many other stocks. The link comes section below to our Discord and Bitcoin. In the meantime, let us discuss Lucid, NIO, and maybe Tesla and Raven. For now, Lucid, guys, is doing crazy good because right now it jumped almost 50% from the $2. Right now is around the $3.30, and the price is still jumping. We still got a bit of FOMO going on for Lucid right now, because if you see in a big picture, it was sleeping, not happening for Lucid for a while. And the last time we did a huge jump for Lucid was back in 2022 and back again in 2023. After that, we never have any correction for Lucid. Right now, we have a lot of news regarding AI, robotaxi, a lot of collaboration going on with Uber. So that's why we have a huge jump for Lucid. So what we should expect for Lucid? First of all, we have to break this level around the $3.44, going toward the $3.88, and hold over the $2.84, which is the support. For NIO, on the other hand, is testing the $4.50, which is the current resistance. We did a really good job right now for jumping 8%, even though we don't have the same news as for Lucid. But right now, EV stocks doing all right regarding that. And of course, NIO is about to break from this majestic bearish channel that we started doing since 2021. So NIO is going on the right direction to recover and go toward the $6 and the $5.30 after breaking the $5.50. If we go down to Raven, which one of the EV stocks that jumped as well 7%, we have an earnings coming up in 1 or 2 weeks from now. This is will be an anticipated and a lot of people anticipated for this earnings, because last earning we have a nice jump of almost 34%. We might have the same this time after holding the 12 and breaking the 1347 to go toward the 1468. For Tesla, doing all right as well, because after a lot of news with Elon Musk and Donald Trump, a lot of things going on with tariff, we have a little pullback here, and of course the major reversal that happened here after the earnings, almost 68% we reverse, and now it's kind of consolidating over the 270 and just below the 330. So it's not that bad and it's not bearish yet, as long as we hold the current support and break the current resistance. We're going to discuss SMC, Tesla, and the other stocks by tomorrow on our live streaming on YouTube, and before that on our Discord and Bitcoin. The link comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys, and let me know in comment section below which one will be next after Lucid jump. Are we gonna have Raven jumping, or NIO, or Tesla? Let me know in comment section below. Thank you for watching.